Okay guys, here's the very last and final video of the Caratuk River. It's a bit of an exception because I said I would not do any more videos of it. I just thought I could do one last one. Thought you just wanted to see it. I'll turn on the light. Yeah, I can't show the fan because something happened. I'll show you. This happened. So when Caratuk rivers get old, their pull chain snaps off, and it's stuck off. You can't even turn it on. Yeah, because it's only on one switch. So we're gonna replace this soon with probably Centerville and brushed nickel. The lighting, I'm never pulling that thing again because you know what happened to the fan chain. It snapped out. So and it snapped out, and so will the light if I keep tugging on it. It's got reversible. I'm not sure what kind of oak you call this, to this some kind of cherryish color. Up there, it's got circly vents on the top. Yeah. And another thing I don't like about this fan is that the motor gets overheated and it would fry up the fan. So will the light kit. And I hate fans with these bad reviews, but still, it's not as worse as the Asheville. The Asheville is more worse because it will get stuck on a speed. Probably more reviews bad. And So, sorry, that's just my sister playing.
So, which way should we go to the fair? Which way is it?
This.
This
fan
is... You're a clever clog, you tell me. So the flags, the purple and red flag would show you what to go.
The reverse split doesn't do nothing since the fan is broken.
Across the bridge.
And this thing made marks when we were installing it. It was not from the old light fixture. It just kind of scratched around. So and this fan got a little bit of a scratch because it got damaged. Sometimes these fans get scratches and.
Giant teddy on as well.
That's.
I suppose we could.
Right there. That's really hard to see. I wish I never bought this fan. And there's 3 reasons why I got it switched to my sister's room. First one is it was very wobbly, even on a flush-mounted mount. You see, maybe unnoticeable, but it does.
Rachel, you made it to make sure that you're keeping your brother company.
And this fan just won't turn on sometimes, and the fan stopped working a few times. The first reason why it was loud. Next reason it was wobbly. Third reason why it just was
time to go to
where it just the light globe broke out, so that's why we have a non-original light globe glass. Okay, I think I'll spin it.
Richard. Right, Rachel. Remember, Rachel gets to sleep at the window.
Here it is. This room. And the Centerville. And the Centerville and brushed nickel will be also 42-inch. just like the one in my grandfather's room. Yeah. Yeah, my grandfather and my grandmother have a house. That's just their room when they come here.
Sleepy, sleepy little bunny. Sleepy bunnies, sleepy bunnies snore.
Yeah, this is just various little exception of this fan. Well, I will do a video of us taking it down. Better save some time while doing that video because maybe so long.
We kept Richard and Rachel asleep. We used to drive.
And also, fans flush mounted. Yeah. And this fan also does not do great. Yeah, when it was working. You probably saw that in my ground view series. It just goes so slow. Yeah. And dang, that's slow. And this fan was very annoying and noisy. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe and stay tuned for more.